Hello everyone. Let us see the numerical which is given as a PMMC voltmeter is connected across a series combination of a DC voltage source V1 is 2 volts and a AC voltage source V2 is 3 sin 40 volts. The meter reads. It is asked in GATE 2005 and here are the options. Before solving this numerical, let us see what is given in that numerical. Here it is given that PMMC voltmeter. That means PMMC is used as a voltmeter. When PMMC is used as a voltmeter, so what will be the diagram? This is your voltmeter. Voltmeter is connected across the load, parallel to that load. Okay. So this instrument is nothing but the PMMC voltmeter. So this PMMC voltmeter is now connected to the series combination of DC and the AC source. So this is your diagram where combination of DC and AC source will be there. This is the combination of DC and AC. When these are connected in series, in that case, what will be the voltmeter reading that is asked in the numerical? Okay. For that, always remember or memorize it. PMMC instrument reads only the average value. Okay. Always memorize it, or it is the very important thing that PMMC always reads the average value. Whatever be the instrument is connected, whatever be the meter is connected, that meter will only gives us the value that is nothing but the average value. Is it clear? Now see the numerical. Here it is given that DC and AC are combined. That means both are connected in series, and after that we have to find out the reading of that meter. That means this meter is always reads the average value. Clear? So consider first the DC supply individually and the AC supply individually. After that we will see what will be the series combination. Okay. So I told you that PMMC instrument is always reads the average value. This is the most important thing you can say. This is the most important thing. Okay. So first of all, consider the DC supply individually. Whenever the PMMC is used or PMMC as a voltmeter is connected to the DC supply, to that voltage is given, that is your V1 voltage, which is given as 2 volts. That means your DC supply is 2 volts. Here voltmeter is always connected in parallel to the supply, or you can say to the load. So whatever be the supply is given, whatever be the source voltage will be there, that voltage now read by that voltmeter. That means this reading is nothing but the average reading, because voltmeter is always reads the average reading. That is the PMMC instrument always reads the average value. So here in DC supply, whatever be the reading of that voltage is there, or whatever be the reading of that voltmeter will be there, it is nothing but the average value. Here DC supply is given, that is DC supply is 2 volts. This 2 volts battery, when we are giving this supply, this voltmeter reads how much value? That is nothing but the 2 volts. That means the average value for this DC supply is nothing but 2 volts. Is it clear? Now go for the AC supply. For AC supply, the voltage is given, that is 3 sin 40. AC supply means, again draw the diagram here. This is your AC supply, and you can draw here voltmeter. Clear? This is your AC supply, and your load is connected. Fine. So this is your complete network. So when we are giving this supply, that is nothing but the AC supply, then this voltmeter must read the average value. Fine. We know that for AC supply, AC is nothing but having positive and negative half cycle. Both cycles are same, but they are in opposite direction, because one is positive and one is negative. So you know that when we take the average of this waveform, that is nothing but the sine waveform. Here the function is given of sine. So this AC waveform, that is nothing but the sine waveform, when we take the average of positive and negative half, in that case that average becomes 0. So for AC quantities, for the AC voltage, when we take the average of positive and negative half cycle, in that case the average value will be 0. When we give the supply, that is nothing but the AC supply, this meter will now read the 0 value, because the average of this AC cycle or of this AC voltage is nothing but the 0. So this voltmeter will not show any reading, and that reading is nothing but the 0 voltage. So always whenever the AC supply is given, in that case the meter, the PMMC voltmeter or PMMC meter reads the 0 value. And we know that PMMC only works for the DC, not for the AC. So the meter pointer will not show any deflection. Fine. Here you can say that the average value of V2 is nothing but the 0 volts. Now what will be the total voltage across that PMMC? That is nothing but the addition of V1 plus the V2, because it is nothing but the series combination of DC and AC voltage. So we have to add that voltage, that is V1 plus V2. Addition of V1 plus V2 is nothing but the average value of V1 plus average value of V2, which will give the average value of the total voltage. Fine. So we can write average value of the total voltage across the PMMC is nothing but the average value of V1 plus the average value of V2. When we add these all the quantities, so what will be the average value of V1? That is the 2 volts. And what will be the average value of V2? That is the 0 volts. When we substitute that values, we will get the average value of the complete meter is nothing but the 2 volts. What will be the reading for the PMMC instrument? That is nothing but the 2 volts only. So the meter, PMMC meter, reads the average value, which is nothing but the addition of the DC voltage plus the AC voltage in this given numerical, that is the series combination. Fine. So PMMC meter reads the value, that is nothing but the 2 volts. So what will be the option from this? That is the option number A. Option number A is the correct answer, that is the 2 volts.